I get to talk to you about cilantro and what's called bolting, which is what it's doing now. See the flowers? Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and let it go to seed. And I'm going to go ahead and drop in, more seed. So what I'm going to do, can you see that? Lighting in here is bad, sorry. What I'm going to do is cut it back a little bit and put a little bit more seed in about every 6 weeks. Since it says that every 65 days it matures, that's when I have to start cutting it and hoping it doesn't do this. It doesn't last forever like I thought. No, not at all. That's why I always wondered why it didn't last for me in the summertime. So I'm going to cut off a lot of this dead stuff. If you're wondering why I'm keeping it, well, for the seed alone, and I'm a little out of the way though, so just turn her up a little bit more. It's never ever good to have dead debris in the house. I don't know about outside. In the house, no. It just attracts whatever eats it. So, we're going to let it come back and hopefully give us some seed there. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and drop, let me see how many seeds are in here. I never know when I'm getting to the store again. I hope they don't run out. I don't think they do. Ooh, can you see that? Whole bunch. We'll drop 10, or about that many. Let me see. Yeah, about that many. They need to be put in about 1/8 of an inch down. Now this is the way that I water when I have seedlings especially. And that's my handy dandy spray. And we'll come back around and check on them. And I figure, about every time I do a review, I'll go ahead and drop another 10 seeds in there. And I just have to harvest it faster, dry it, and do something with it. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to have enough for my salsa for sure. But look at that. See that flower head? That is what's supposed to give me my seed. Oh, that's wishful thinking. That's really wishful thinking. No, it's probably fell over there. Alright, well that's all. That's what's called bolting when it starts to go. And it turns into, what do they call that? You know, I don't remember, but it turns into another herb. I forget what it's called. I'll tell you what, I'll let you know the next time, or on my review. So until then, you have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.